Here's a tutorial on how I coloured this sky. I had so many comments on it, so I thought, yep, I'll do a tutorial. These are the colours I use, but please bear in mind I have a mix of old and new codes. I also had a bit of pastel pencil in there as well. So I started off with my darkest blue, which was BG1103, and I started to just sort of make a cloud kind of shape. I've never done a sky like this before, so I just went with it. And then here I'm using the second lightest colour, B27, and I just started to blend around that dark area. Again, I was trying to make sort of cloudy shapes, so just going around the edge of that dark area. And then I just kept going in this way, so working my way through those blues from dark to light. So the lightest part of the cloud was sort of usually around the top of the cloud, so I just kept going around using those different shades and building up this sort of cloud shape. I actually missed out B21 on this one cloud, and I went straight in with that lighter shade, which is BG3, and I started going around the edge and just blending that out. Because this cloud was quite big, I thought I don't want to take any more darker colours out, so here I'm using the lighter shade to finish off just that first cloud. And then I carried on in this way, adding in from dark to light random cloud shapes over the whole of the sky. I didn't actually have any particular plan for this page. As I said, I just went with it, just making these cloud shapes from dark to light, random here and there, and I was really pleased with how it all came together in the end. I was a little bit nervous though, because obviously I've never done this sky before, but so many people loved it, which is why I'm here showing you guys the process. But it is hard to explain really, so yeah, just keep going dark to light, leaving the light bit at the top in that sort of fluffy, puffy cloud shape, if that makes sense, before you then move on to the dark. The dark you want sitting close to the light shade, that way you really get that sort of separation. And then last of all, I decided to add some yellow charcoal pencil and a sunshine, because even though it looks okay like this, I just felt it was a bit, I don't know, a bit bland. So I brought in my yellow pastel pencil and I started to highlight the edges of the cloud with some yellow. And then I thought, right, well now I need a sun. So I did the sun sort of poking just sort of outside of the tree. I started off with just pastel pencil on the sun, and then I decided to go over it with a little bit of alcohol marker just to make it more vibrant. And then here I'm finishing with a white pastel pencil just to bring out some more of the lightness sitting close to that dark, to really make those highlights on the clouds just stand out. I decided to break up some of the dark bits as well here, as you can see with that pastel pencil. The beauty of pastel and chalk type pencils is that you can smudge them out. I'm just using my finger and they give a real soft look. And that is it. That is how I coloured this sky. Thank you everyone for all your lovely comments.